Course creators, or I want to be a course creator someday, people, this one's for you.
Kajabi is literally designed for what you want to do. Teach online at scale without losing your mind over tech.
With Kajabi, you can structure your modules and lessons, upload videos, audio, PDFs, drip lessons out over time, give quizzes or assessments, and track student progress.
And the student experience is clean. They have one login, one place, all their content is organized, and that helps your completion rates and your results.
While Kajabi's on sale, it's the perfect moment to decide okay, my course isn't just an idea anymore.
And we'll help you do it. When you sign up through our Kajabi affiliate link, you get 1 year inside of Website Royalty where we guide you through creating and launching that course.
We'll help you choose your course topic, outline your modules, set up your Kajabi course product, build your sales page, write a simple launch email sequence.
And if Course Creator is on your vision board, let's make it part of your reality. Grab Kajabi while the sale is on, save a little money, and then come into Website Royalty so we can build it together.
The link is in the description, or you can use the QR code above, or even just go to mysexybusiness.com and click the hello bar at the top. Start your Kajabi account on the sale, and then reach out so we can get you into the group.